The 2018 Lincoln MKX. The Lincoln MKX offers performance and a distinctly powerful ride that's ahead of the curve. Boasting excellent launch and acceleration with a powerful engine that delivers plenty of horsepower, the Lincoln MKX is truly empowered for action. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, power liftgate, navigation system, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, active suspension system, heated front seats, electronic stability control, fog lights, CD player, rear window defroster, power windows, AM/FM CD player with 6 speakers, security system, compass, trip computer, tachometer. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.